low, low. Now you run and no one ever me do it. Me that deep sleep. You want some me dream sweet.
In other news now, sections of West Kingston remain tense following last night's gun attack on a police team. Thugs also set the Ray market on fire. We have the details in this report.
Gunshots echoing in West Kingston. It's a signal that things would not be normal for some residents in West Kingston last night. It's reported that a police team was on patrol in Lizard Town, where they asked a group of people gathered for an event to disperse. The residents complied. Shortly after, the team came under heavy gunfire.
All units, please hurry. The men coming down on us. Let me have to hear their ship command. I'm looking at the Jamaican eye footage and I can see that you're pinned down there, man. Let me send some assistance to you. Send ship commander police emergency.
In a bid to rescue those officers, a heavy contingent of police and soldiers was deployed in the area.
Agent the realist. Yo, Barry's done. Yours done, man. Bring some extra thing, you know this sitting steer. Make rain fall on a sunny day. Evil in a cup it have made a way. Wrap it up the place, you know see the play. Yo, Barry's done, boy you say my beer. Squander the like kind like we never save. Slap it, make it echo like it in a cave. Make it blaze, you know see the flame. See the whole of them in a crew. Me go turn it over there, so make it slide right through. All of my friend like prove you wild broke close from you get me high mood. Mr. Thompson ready for blaze plus with the panic grades like in a high school. We go make it dark back and dark up the place similar to.
The police board on this follow you.
Well, I mean, I think so because I command a premium on a level, you know.
What you mean, you man a premium on a level? I don't understand.
Man, I'm a premium on a level and I say, oh, I mean, you come back. Or I rest I man them and I shoot him.
Sooner we get to take out the commander, I better food. So just stay your humble brother.
Yeah man, for real man, for real.
You know, say we have a little mission to go deal with. So just give me a little more time. I'm making one to call it. Just one cool yourself. You see me?
Man say nah do it. Citizen you know a Irish a Christian. Irish, you know Irish? Irish a Christian, you know, married, the man married. Oh, I mean, I see right now. That's what I watch you, I see you.
I'll fry you. No, worry yourself, man. Me not do it, man. Me don't tell him so me not do it. Right. Oh! When you frighten me.
Yeah, I hear it. How are you now? Oh, I go. Yo, yo, Mr. Sen, a cheater, man, I run pan you. Cheater, that. You editing them good, man. With their phone ringing off 50. Hello? Yes, this is Officer Bob. Hey, how can I help you? What? From the station, you know. Hey, Officer Bob there, man. What you mean, say? They broke in your place? Which part? Which part is the location again, miss? Oh, you are foreign. Okay. Me and my squad, Mr. Sent will circle that place. You understand? And we make sure say everything is in order right there. And okay, miss? Okay, don't worry yourself. Me and Mr. Sent will take good care of that place. We are going to circle right there right now. Okay? Okay. Alright, miss. Big up yourself. Mr. Sent, you know, say one lady this a call me. I said she there overseas. And she rain all over start falling out. She said she there overseas and the camera, the motion detector them, pick up say somebody there place. So we have to go circle there right now. You understand? All the way rain and fall now. So just everything load, you know. There I enjoy myself and watch Fresh and them a call me for work. That's not easy. That's not easy. Apple there in this place. No good man there now, Mr. Sen. Yeah. No good man there, Mr. You come like a fool, you man a fool. Alright, go up, man. Lunchtime, man. May I cook back? He's a cop, you know. He's a cop. Let him through. But somebody tell me the one who say them aside there you come from, man. Yeah, man. It's a little cat to make a check down the road there. Yeah. Oh, it's a little beat. Yeah, you know, sir, on the inside I come from. You must have wondered why we there here, you know. Oh, man, I never know so now the spot check one of them type of place here. No, man. But me tell you how go on. You see, from the shooting go on, we have to dip on the alert. You see me curfew up from 7. So we are work 24/7 now. You understand? And the worst thing, a U1 out of the 20 cops so we send on the street, a U1 come back alright. So we have to work 24/7 because we are looking for criminal. We are looking for shoot that's the way, you understand? So bless up yourself. How many are come back to work? Monday, man, a Monday. Alright, bless up yourself in a samba. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Go through, man. But check out this, you see?
One time tell them try away, just try away. Pull up with 7-matic now the driveway. Smarty, I go get it.
The customer do a look up spot check, you know, so I'm watching myself as I hear about, you know. Alright? Yeah, man.
Full them up a dollar kind. One phone call better you tap your knife. Keep on chat me make you join the line. Spallings make it.
What the hell, boy? Yes, 911. A copy zone, you know. Right here in Seaview. Yes, a copy zone. The man, the criminal get away, you know. Yeah. A copy zone, man. Yeah.